In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a website on the Mighty Sites platform for your cake shop. If you're unfamiliar with Mighty Sites, you haven't heard of Mighty Sites, you've just stumbled across this video, welcome to Mighty Sites YouTube channel. Mighty Sites is the fastest way to launch a simple website for your small business. You can have something ready in less than a minute and it's really affordable. It's only $9 a month. There is a free trial available, and the beauty of it is you don't even need to put your credit card details in to start the free trial. So click on the link below this video and give it a bash and let us know how it works for you and your small business. So once you've signed up on the Mighty Sites website, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market. So I'm going to go ahead and search for cake shop, which is over here. There's hundreds of markets to choose from. We're adding more every single week. However, if you've just stumbled across this video randomly and you don't even have a cake shop, you have another small business and you can't quite find the market, let us know in the comments below and we will add that market. So let's get cracking building our Mighty Sites website for our cake shop. I'm going to go ahead and select this option over here. Now Mighty Sites is going to ask me a few basic details about my cake shop just so it can generate the website for me and do all the hard work. So I'm going to go ahead and put my company name in. I'm going to call it Rochelle's Custom Cakes. And let's go ahead and put our city in and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Mighty Sites service. We have users from all around the globe. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and select the type of business. This is a service, so I'm going to go ahead and select that option, my custom cake service, and click continue. Awesome. So Mighty Sites literally just did its thing and created a one-page website for me. It did all the hard work. I'm now going to take you through each section and show you how to update it and show you how easy this platform is to use. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web developer. You don't need to know coding, nothing of that kind. It's created with you in mind, small business in mind, to create a simple website in less than a minute. So I'm now going to take you through each section so you can have a look and feel of how the service works. I'm now going to start with the top section and work my way through. So let's go ahead and click on update section over here. I'm going to go ahead and put my email address in, Rochelle@customcakes.com, and click on show email on site. My email address is now displayed in the top right hand corner of my Mighty Sites website. It's clickable, so your customers can literally click on it and be taken directly to their email app or whichever program they use to send emails. I'm now going to put my phone number in, and that again is going to be displayed in the top right hand corner of my Mighty Sites website. It is clickable, click to call. Let's go ahead and put our address in and our postal code. This is now displayed in the top left-hand corner of our Mighty Sites, and it is clickable as well. It will take your customers directly to Google Maps so they can get directions to your physical location. Awesome. So let's click save and move along. I'm now going to click on update social links while I'm here at the top, and I'm going to go ahead and put our Instagram accounts in and our Twitter. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the Mighty Sites service is working for you and your small business. We'd love to hear your feedback. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. If there's any social media platforms we've missed, feel free to leave a comment below and let us know and we will add it. Perhaps your cake shop is now active on TikTok, so give us a thumbs up if you want us to add the TikTok icon over here so you can link your Mighty Sites to your TikTok. Let's go ahead and save that and make sure it's saved. Our icons will now be displayed in the top right hand corner of our Mighty Sites website. Easily clickable so your customers can go directly to your social media accounts, give you a follow and see what you're up to. Great, so let's go ahead and close that. I'm now going to move on to the next section and click on update logo. So if you've just recently launched your cake shop or your cake business and you don't have a logo, congratulations for starting. I'm proud of you. However, if you don't have a logo, it will just display your name here in the top left hand corner, and there's nothing wrong with that. It still looks really professional. However, if you already have a logo designed, you can go ahead and browse from your device and upload it here, resize it to suit your needs. If you do need a logo, you want a logo, but you don't have a huge budget for a graphic designer or a logo designer, I do recommend that you check out the canva.com service. Canva is a great option for free logo designs. You can amend them to suit your business. Great. So let's go ahead and close this section and move along. So perhaps this teal color or green, whatever you call it, just doesn't work for your business branding. Your cake shop does not have that in your branding at all. You can go ahead and select this paint bucket over here and work through the different color palettes and see what works best for you. If there isn't a color palette here that you had in mind, perhaps you wanted a specific funky color, let us know in the comments below and we'll make sure we add it. However, we are adding more color palettes every single week. I'm going to go ahead and save that because I really, really like that color. And I literally changed the colors in a click of a button. I didn't need to know color coding, any website coding, nothing of the sorts. That looks really awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update section. With Mighty Sites, we've literally pre-written all the content for you. We pre-selected all the images for you. However, if it doesn't work for you, you can change them to suit your business needs. So I'm going to go ahead and update that image over here. You can browse from your computer or device and select an image of your confectionery and your cakes you've created that you perhaps have already taken. Otherwise, you can go ahead and search from the photo library, from the hundreds of images that are available. All these images are free to use. That's the beauty of it. Free to use, no license required, no downloading, no payment for these images. It's absolutely amazing, and there's hundreds to choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one and click Save Image, and let's see how that works. That looks absolutely stunning. I love it. It's making me hungry. Now, again, the pre-written content super helpful, but perhaps it doesn't work for you, so you can go ahead and change the title and subtitle over here, as well as this button. Perhaps you don't want it to say that. Perhaps you want it to say "Get in touch." So let's go ahead and do that and choose our link. So we can link to another website. We can link to another part of our website, or we can click actions and have a click to call button or click to email. Another great option is you can upload a PDF file. So perhaps you can upload a PDF file with all your different cake options that you have on offer and the pricing. Your customers will literally click on that button and it will directly take them to the PDF file. So I'm going to go ahead and save all of that. It's looking really great. And close the section up and move on to the next. So here we have an About Us section. Perhaps this doesn't quite work for you. We have pre-written it for you to make your life super easy, and just take the stress out of creating a website. However, it doesn't work for you, you can click on Update section, amend the image from the photo library or from your device. Here's where you literally tell your customers and potential customers how you came to be, how you started your cake shop, more about your passion for creating cakes, all of that. Let's pop it in this section over here and move along. Another really beautiful image, royalty free, free to use, but if it doesn't quite work for you, you can click on update section and browse from your computer or upload from the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, no fees involved, just the basic $9 a month for your Mighty Sites website. And then you have access to all those free images. Let's move on to the next section, and this is where you show us your services and what you offer. Perhaps you offer single tier cakes, but not double tier cakes. So here's where you can amend it by clicking on update section and updating the image. However, that is a really beautiful image. Great. So on to the next section. This is where your address is and how your customers can get directions. Of course, all amendable, that you can update your hours over here. So they will be displayed here. You can put on your hours you're open, the days you're closed, as well as another click to call button or wherever you'd like to link. Right, my Marty sites is looking really awesome for my cake shop. A common question that we get asked at Marty sites is, can I link my custom domain? Now, we completely understand with a professional website comes a custom domain. And yes, absolutely, you can link your custom domain. So I'm going to go ahead and stop editing and then head over to the site dashboard at the top over here. To link my custom domain, I'm literally going to click on connect a domain. We do have some YouTube tutorials on how you can go about linking your domain, and we do have a blog post over at www.martysites.com. However, if you're still struggling, we are here to help you. You can literally drop us a social media message or an email, add Marty Sites as a user, and we will do all the hard work for you. We will link your domain for you, get it all set up so everything's running smoothly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create a website using the Marty Sites platform for your cake shop. I wish your cake shop Marty success. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any ideas or features you'd like us to add, any queries, feel free to drop us a comment. We'd love to hear your feedback. And don't forget the thumbs up for this video.